Good Wednesday evening, everyone. Once again, we had a very warm day with high temperatures reaching the 90s, low to mid 90s. Unlike yesterday, we saw a few more showers and thunderstorms and more in coverage thanks to a weak front that came through the region. Temperatures right now in the upper 70s to low to mid 80s, 82 in McAllen, 79 in Rio Grande City. It's 84 degrees in Port Isabel and 80 degrees in Raymondville. Here's your day planner forecast. I would keep the umbrellas handy for tomorrow. Another front, it's another weak one, of course, comes in tomorrow. So because of that, we're going to keep in a chance for some scattered showers, especially for the afternoon. 76 your temperature at 8 a.m., 84 mostly cloudy during the day. And it's not as warm as today with highs in the upper 80s tomorrow. 85 your temperature at 5 p.m. Still with a chance for some scattered showers. All right, here's the latest on Michael. It is a Category 1 hurricane with a maximum winds of 75 miles per hour, minimal Category 1 hurricane. But earlier today, it made landfall around 12:30 p.m. Central Time in Mexico Beach, Florida, in the Florida Panhandle as a Category 4 hurricane with maximum winds of 155 miles per hour. Michael has weakened steadily through the afternoon and evening. It is moving fast to the northeast at 20 miles an hour, but those hurricane force conditions and tropical storm force conditions will continue for many parts of the southeast. Here's that a forecast track, the official track from the Hurricane Center. Mike will continue to zip off to the northeast right through Georgia and the Carolinas and then become a tropical storm either late tonight or tomorrow. And there is the forecast track. Michael continues to speed off into the North Atlantic right past New England and Atlantic Canada. Now let me show you what's going on here. The magenta indicates hurricane warning still in effect for parts of the Florida Panhandle, and then the deep ruby red, those are tornado watches for parts of Georgia. There's the center of circulation, the eye of Michael. Very heavy rains right now causing major problems for the state of Georgia, especially on I-75 right around Macon. You see those heavy rain bands now moving through Atlanta. A lot of rain for North Georgia, all thanks to Michael. And then take a look toward the Carolinas. Now the problem here is that they saw Hurricane Florence, and of course Florence drenched the Carolinas. So they have to deal with Michael now as it moves to the northeast. All the light green you see, those are flash flood watches in effect for both Carolinas as well as the state of Virginia. Now for us, Michael, of course, not a direct threat to the valley, but because of the side effects of Michael, the coastal flood advisory continues in the lemon or the yellow-green, I should say, for coastal Cameron, coastal Kennedy, and Wellesley County until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. The rip current risk remains high. Swimming is not advised, at least for tomorrow into Friday. Now, let's talk about some fronts. I told you about the second front coming in tomorrow. It's a weak front, but we'll keep in the chance for some scattered showers. It's going to be a warm weekend with highs in the 90s, but hang on. That all changes for Monday as a third front, much stronger, arrives Monday morning. So behind the front, we're looking at a big drop in the temperatures. We're going to go from 90s on Sunday to the 70s. Only 70 for the high on Monday with upper 60s on Tuesday. So you'll want the jackets and sweaters. Yes, jackets and sweaters for Monday and Tuesday, and the raincoats because there is also a good chance for some rain Monday and Tuesday. Good chance for snow in the mountains of New Mexico as well as the Texas Panhandle by Monday behind the system. So a big cool down all on the way for the start of next week. 40% chance of showers for tomorrow, 20% chance of rain for Friday, and 10% chance of some showers on Saturday. Small craft advisory on the water for tonight. We'll have winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, and the seas are 3 to 5 feet. For tonight, maybe a few showers, temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for tomorrow, 87 with a 40% chance of showers. Here's that 7-day forecast. If you like the warm weather, enjoy it for this weekend. If you like the cooler weather, just wait. It gets much cooler for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday behind the front. So we're going to go from 94 on Sunday down to 70 on Monday. Oh, yeah, the winds crank up. It's going to feel even chillier for Monday. Christine loves this. 67 on Tuesday and 70 on Wednesday. Cloudy with still a good chance for some showers.